I'm in the last week of my bulk and my last week to really try to go up in weights or reps. My case, reps. Day one for me is a big chest day starting with 5 sets of bench press. Last week I did 5 sets with the 50-pound dumbbells for 13 reps each set, which is gonna be hard to beat. But for the first set I'll be trying out 14 reps and see where the day heads from there. But yeah, it's gonna be a brutal workout and my chest is gonna be blown up. It's gonna feel great. Alright, sort of failed on that last rep on the chest press, but PR'd. Now it's time for incline bench. I'm going down to 35s for this exercise, 4 sets. Last week I did 12 reps, so I'm going to go for 13 reps today. We'll see what happens. That chest set, whew, rocked. Time for 3 sets, dumbbell flies, 35 pounds, going for 14 reps I think. 14 reps.
There we go. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Shoulder press next. 35-pound dumbbells. I gotta do sets of 10 to beat last week's numbers. I think 3 sets. 4 sets. My shoulders feel a little tore up already, so this is gonna be fun. My left shoulder's giving out. My left arm keeps failing at the end. Fuck you! Fuck you! Ah! Lateral raises, 3 sets, 15-pound dumbbells, going for 11 reps a set. Tricep kickbacks, 3 sets, 35-pound dumbbells, going for 13 reps. Now I'm gonna do a few finishers. Mile rep sets. First, I'm gonna do some bicep curls. I'm using 25-pound dumbbells, and I'm basically going to do as many curls as I can until I reach failure. Take a short break, and then start again, and I need to match those reps. As many sets as it takes. So let's say I knock out 20 reps. Maybe in the next set I'll get 10 to 12 to take a 5-10 second break and keep going until I reach that 20 again. Ah, 23. Last set of the day, another mile rep set. I'm doing decline push-ups on these yoga blocks so I can get an even deeper stretch in my chest. I'm gonna do as many reps as I can until I collapse, and then I'm gonna match that with as many sets as it takes. Here we go. Ten reps. Fuck. Chest and tricep day done. Whew. Be back tomorrow. Leg day tomorrow. Peace.